Hello, today I'm going to show you how to release your fuel cap or your gas cap in a case of emergency. If you cannot open this automatically in your Audi S3, S4 or A4 Avant, you are able to make this manually. Go into the trunk area and open the lid there. Open the cover on the right side and you can see there is a red wire. This red wire is the emergency release knob which we can pull. We pull this and while we are pulling it will release your cap. And then of course you can open the cap. Yeah, job's done. To get this back in position, after you refuel your car, you can of course get this cover back into position on the back side of your car. Job's done, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.